Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional company profile inside of Canva. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first is open up Canva, then go to the home tab. From here we need to do a search. So in that search, type in professional company profile, then hit enter. Then we'll be taken to the Canvas search results for professional company profile. So from here we can go ahead and browse and have a look at all the different templates we can use as our company profile. So you can see they got quite a range here. And one thing you probably noticed, there is a little crown next to some of these. So with these crowns, this is a Canva Pro, so you need to be Canva Pro to use these premium templates, but they have plenty of free templates here. So go ahead and find the template that is right for your company. So say if I want to use this one here, I'm going to click into it and then I'm going to choose customize this template. Now this is where we can make the customizations to suit our company. Okay, in order to edit this, we can do so. So if we want to go ahead and edit the image here, we can. So we can click on the image, click delete, and then we're going to have a blank image where we can put our own logo or image of our business. So say if I want to change this, I'm going to go ahead on the left hand side, click on upload files. Now it's going to choose, go to my files. Now I need to find my logo, so I'm going to jump into here. Now if I want to use my company logo, I can do so by uploading it here. So here's my company logo. Now if I want to change the text, we can. So we can click on that, and I'm just going to call this tutorial whiz. And again, we can delete this. If you don't want to use it, you can add a little logo there next to your name. This is fully customizable. You can change the font. So we can click on to company. We can change this font to whatever we like. So if we want to change it to Norwester, we can change that to Norwester. Also, we can put the website. We can change the website for this particular template. So I can put in the website name, and also we can change the colors. So we can change the background color. So by clicking on the background, we can change this to a different color. Also this one here, we can change this to a different color if we like. So this is fully customizable. Now we've got these three dots. We can delete, remove that, or change that if we like. I can make that just a straight line. So yeah, take your time to fully customize your company profile here. And if there's any sliders here that you want to delete, you don't need, you can go ahead and click on that slider. Click on the three dots, we can delete that. If there's one that you particularly like, you can go ahead and duplicate it too. So click on the slider and duplicate it, and that's going to duplicate that image. Now once you've fully customized or changed your company profile, we can go ahead and click on share, click on download, and then we'll download it as a PDF, which is standard. Click on download. You can download it as an MP4 and loop it if you like, but just for this demonstration, go ahead and download it. And that's how to create a professional company profile in Canva.